Hello there. So how to fix Shadowrocket Alight Motion issue. So the first thing you want to do right now is make sure that your internet connection is strong. Basically checking the network configuration inside Shadowrocket. So open the application itself and make sure corrected proxy is going to be connected. Try switching to a different server or region for better stability. Step number 2, that would be enabling global routing. So go to settings, global routing mode, and set it to proxy all or rule based. Now check 3, that will be check the application itself in settings and Alight Motion. You can open the Alight Motion, go to settings, that should be on the lower left section, and clear the cache if available. Now make sure the app is updated to the latest version as well. Step number 4, that will be check DNS settings inside the Shadowrocket. So go to settings, click DNS, and change it to 8888 for Google and 1111 for Cloudflare. Now step number 5 is restart both applications. Fully close both Shadowrocket and Alight Motion. Reopen them and try loading a project in Alight Motion again. Now bonus tip for you guys, reinstall Alight Motion if issues is persisting. Test Alight Motion with a proxy to rule out the connection conflicts. Now disable low data mode or battery saver on your device. Sometimes that works.